So over here in Jotform, if I were to go to add element and if I were to go to basic, then you'll be able to see the date picker right here, which has a certain format right here in the properties. But there's another version of date picker as well that you can add in through the widget section. So to do that, you can go to widget, and if you were to go ahead and scroll down, you will be able to see another date picker right here. So around over here, you can see that now you got a different widget setting where you can add in custom CSS as well. You can change the date format, show today's date, and so forth right here. You can go to properties and then you can change around the alignment as you want right here, just like this. Enable and disable the label, change around the label alignment, and so forth as you need as well. So if I were to go around over here onto preview form right here, then for this date picker, you can see a particular format right here. For this date picker, you can see that the format is different. So you can see that this format is quite simple, but this is more fancier on this side. You can see that you can go ahead and select the year right here, and you can select the month right here, just like this. And this is basically another way to go ahead and enter out the date. So depending on what type of input you want to give to your users, you can go ahead and select the date picker widget or the regular date picker as needed. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the date picker widget inside of Jotform. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.